Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to unsubscribe from Zengo Pro. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zengo application or your Zengo wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now Zengo has one of the best user interfaces ever because its user interface allows you to navigate the features easily. It also has icons representing diverse features that actually help you optimize your Zengo experience. So now that we're on this homepage, let's just hop into today's text, which is how to unsubscribe from Zengo Pro. So from this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. You're going to find home, you're going to find history, you're going to find the middle icon that has the arrow upwards and the arrow downwards. You're also going to find settings, and you're going to find security. So go ahead and click on the settings icon. So it's going to take you right here into the settings window where you have account type, connections, theme, background, hide balance, local currency, all the way down to delete account. So if you want to unsubscribe from Zengo Pro, go ahead and click on account type. So once you click on this account, you're going to see the account type that you are subscribed to. So right here I'm using Essentials, which is basically the free version of Zengo Pro, of Zengo rather. So Essentials. Now if you're actually subscribed to Zengo and you get over to this account type, you're going to find your pro version. You're going to find the pro version that you subscribed to, and you're going to find that right here in this window. So if you want to cancel it, I'm so sorry about that, that's the phone timeout. So if you want to cancel your subscription, which can be canceled at any time, go ahead and select your accounts from this window. Once you select that, you're going to find the unsubscribe button or cancel subscription button. Go ahead and click on cancel subscription, and once you cancel subscription, it's going to take you to a window where your subscription is going to take you to some processes which is self-explanatory and not too long. All right, it's going to take you to the process of canceling your subscription. Then you're going to have to confirm that you really want to cancel your subscription. Now once that is done, you will see that your subscription will be successfully canceled. So click on your account type and click on the cancel subscription button you're going to find, and your subscription will be cancelled. That's how you can also subscribe from Zengo Pro. Now I can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.